Hello, my name is Professor Peter Gillen, a Senior Examiner in the MRCS examinations, and I'm also Course Director of the RCSI MRCS Part B preparation course. At RCSI, we're committed to supporting trainee surgeons in their career in surgery by providing resources and supports to guide you. Within RCSI, we run an MRCS Part B preparation course, which is used to give candidates an overview of what the MRCS Part B examination will be like on the day, while also providing critical feedback at the end to help guide candidates in their final preparations before taking the exam. Approximately 6 weeks before the examination itself, we recommend that you sit the MRCS Part B preparation course with RCSI. This course will provide you an overview of the theory that you'll need for the exam, and most importantly, it will allow you to practice in a real exam setting by sitting the mock OSCE that replicates the examination. The lecturers, all of whom are experienced examiners in the MRCS, will provide you with personalised feedback following your performance. This course is run 3 times a year in Ireland and once a year in Bahrain and Penang, and covers the core content of the exam through mock OSCEs, interactive workshops and group discussions in applied surgery, critical care, clinical and procedural skills, anatomy, surgical pathology and communication. Please note that our MRCS Part B prep course has a limited number of places and is allocated on a first-come, first-served basis. So we advise candidates to submit their applications as soon as possible. Thank you.